Mbunge Nene kwi umunthi niyakwatiania kumeta na kukatha ndongoi ya ODM Raila Odinga maimuweta ta Mutongoi weka wokitie Kenya kwitha na uthasyo wa syama mbingi na ingi maimuweta ta Mutongoi unendete muuo na kwenda nthi ya Kenya na ngoo yake yonthe.
He could fit in any situation, any calamity, any times for him. So, Mr. Speaker, with very heavy hearts, we want to say pole to the family, Mama Aida, Winnie, Junior, and the entire Raila family, and say pole sana, mzee, lala salama, tutaonana panapo majiliwa ya Mwenyezi Mungu.
Man who encouraged younger leadership to be the best that they could be. And he has nurtured many leaders, Honorable Speaker, who are in this house and even outside of this house, Honorable Speaker, from governors, ministers, members of parliament, and even presidents around Africa, Honorable Speaker. You know, Raila Odinga is a man who was a firm Pan-Africanist, somebody who firmly believed in a stronger and united Africa. Honorable Speaker, Raila Odinga also came across to me as a man who used reconciliation and dialogue as his tools of leadership.
This country shall never forget that he is the father of the second liberation. Article 2A of our Constitution was repealed because of the fight and what Raila Odinga fought for, so that that particular provision was repealed, and therefore we had the democratic space opened in this country. Honorable Speaker, Raila's long pursuit for democratic ideals shall forever be remembered by the people of the Republic of Kenya. This is a man who bestrode Kenya's and Africa's political landscape like the giant colossus. And for that reason, Honorable Speaker, this man shall live in immortality. Raila Odinga shall never be forgotten. He will go into the records of this world, just like Mandela, just like Mahatma Gandhi, and other great heroes like Shakespeare and Martin Luther King Jr.
Yeye time yote ilikuwa kwake, umoja na amani ni bora kwake.
He's a person who is down to earth and loves everybody, no matter how bad you mistreat him.
As a country, let us remember what Raila Odinga fought for this nation, democracy. And he has shown that democracy cannot be gotten freely. He fought. This is a man who went through detention without trial. A man during his political time. He went through prosecution. He went through exile. He suffered for this great nation.
You will actually think he's a spirit. You will see a person with a mass following, loved freely, Honorable Speaker. But even above that, still able to keep his family together.